I was going to fix my hair because it looks like a nest. But I'm legit exhausted. And I was thinking to myself, I don't really have to do this. No one really cares. No one's paying attention to me recording this book reading. But then I remembered that I care. So here we are. And we're going to try to finish the train story today. I actually attempted to commit my location in the book to memory. So I think I remember where we are. But again, who knows? Here we are. Because I don't understand what I'm reading 75% of the time. So we're going to go from here. 綾子はそう女の人に挨拶をしようと思いました。その人は字幕の映画を見たいので映画館のスタジフ I feel like I read this sentence last night and I had to look this up. Subtitled, anyway, is the answer. 映画館のスタジフ I don't know と話したいました。その人は映画不自由でした。だから綾子が挨拶した時気の得ませんでした。そして綾子はそんな女の人に手紙を書きました。一緒に映画を見ませんか？ I know what that means. 今、綾子は毎日電車でその女の人とsomething とノートとペンを使って映画の話をします。That's the end of the story. It has been read. So I guess I should read the whole thing in English and then I'll do another read through maybe of like the Japanese block and then the English block after so I can start to learn what the words mean. Anyway, so in English, the story goes, Ayako rides trains every day. When she goes to work, goes shopping, meets with friends, goes to an English conversation lesson, or goes to the movies, she rides trains. When she goes to work on weekdays, Ayako always rides the same train every day with the same people. When she goes out on weekends, there are always different people on the train. Whenever Ayako rides a train, there's something she always wonders about. Where do these people come from? And where do these people go? Today is June 15th, and it is a Sunday morning. Summer is just around the corner. It's a nice day. Today, Ayako takes the train and goes to see a new movie. Ayako slowly looked around in the train. Because it is a Sunday morning, there are not many people riding it. In front of Ayako, there are a small boy and a young man sitting together. The boy is watching a video on a tablet. The young man is looking outside the window of the train. Are they a child and a father? Or are they a student and a teacher? Next to Ayako, there's a woman sitting by herself. She is wearing a blue dress and sending a message to someone on her cell phone. Where is she going in a blue dress? Does she have a job interview? Or is she going to a friend's wedding? Ayako is looking around. There is someone that she has seen before. This woman is standing near a door and reading a book. When she goes to work, Ayako sees this woman every day. But she's never talked to her before. This woman is always reading a book. What do I do? Maybe I want to talk to her? But what should I talk about? Ayako is thinking about what to say very hard. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes have passed. She needs to get off at the next station. What do I do? What do I say? There's no time left. The train stops at the next station, and the woman also got off at the same station. Ayako got off the train hurriedly and got to talk to the woman in a loud voice. Hello? The woman did not answer to Ayako and just walked away. Ayako got disappointed. Ayako then went to the movie theater. When she arrived at the theater, that woman was also there. Ayako thought she was now going to say hi to her. The woman wanted to watch a subtitled movie, so she was talking to a staff member at the theater. She was deaf. That's why she could not hear Ayako when she said hi to her. Ayako then wrote a letter to the woman. Would you like to watch a movie together? Now Ayako and the woman talk about movies every day on the train using a notebook and pen. That's so freaking adorable. Okay, so this is super cool. So there's a summary here, like at the end. And then there's also a vocab list, which probably would help me to work on. So maybe, well, I have a lot of vocab for class, so I probably don't want to do these vocab in place of my class vocab, but maybe I'll do another, like I said, a read of the individual like sections with the translations, and maybe that'll help me pick up some more of this, because like I'd love to just be able to read it with like a little bit of expression, because right now I feel like I'm just sounding out letters and it doesn't really sound like I'm reading, it just sounds like I'm puzzling. So we'll see. Story number 1 in the books, as they say.